Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the new topic, new chapter called as Ledger. After the passing the original entry books called as journal and the subdivision of journal, that means called as the recording entries. Now we are moving towards the ledger called as posting entry. The posting will take the place from the journal or the subdivision of journal. Business can use journal, business can use subdivision of journal out of the one method, then the posting can be done, means the ledger posting can be done. So it is after the chapter journal or the subdivision, or you may say the original entry books. So first, ledger can be called as posting. So you try to understand today we are going to give you the details related with the ledger, meaning, features and the utility of the posting, means called as ledger. The meaning of the ledger can be defined as a summary of the statement of all the transactions related to a particular person may be Ram, Sham, etc. So when I am talking the Ram, it means the all the entries related with the Ram will be there. Like I am referring asset means machinery. Then all the entries related to the machinery only will go to the account. And the expense, maybe salary, maybe rent, maybe other expenses, will give you the detail of one particular rent and then other expenses detail. In the same manner, the income and other accounts will be maintained. It shows the net results. Net result means the machinery. Suppose I am taking the example of asset, machinery. Machinery purchased, machinery sold, and now what is the balance in your hand? It is called as net effect. In the same manner, if I am talking about Ram, like person, the person Ram, what is payable, what is receivable, and the differences indicate the balance payable or receivables to Ram. So that means that all the items of a one particular person, one particular asset, one particular expense, one particular income all take place over a one particular periods and shows the result at the end of the one period also. So ledger is a book. This is the major definitions now. The ledger is a book which contains all the accounts. It can be personal, it can be real, it can be nominal. It means all the accounts are listed after the journal into the ledger. So ledger is a posting book. The recording will provide the data to the ledger. And now the features of the ledger, generally these are the main features. It is a master record of all the accounts of a business. It provides you, it prepares from the journal. It prepares from the journal by, it is called as journal only. And it shows the current balance of the all the accounts. So it is called as it show the balance, but the journal don't show any balance here. So I think this is the terms needed to you. Requirement of related with the ledger is clear. Now I am moving to the next utility of ledgers. The utility of ledgers referring the why it is required. That is, the one is it provides the complete information of a particular account. As I have already given you examples like RAM, it gives a full complete details of the RAM account. If you have the machinery account, it provides you the complete details of the machinery. And our next one is provide the informations of income and expense. This also helps to prepare the profit and loss account. And it also helps to prepare the trial balance. Trial balance means the summary of all the accounts to be put there, and it will check the arithmetical accuracy. It means it is providing the data to the trial balance to check the arithmetical accuracy. If it is tally, it means the arithmetical accuracy is correct. Now it also helps to the preparing the final account. It means the item related with the revenue and expenses will go to the profit and loss, and the profit and loss will help you to calculate the net profit or the net loss for a particular financial year. In the same manners, the results of the others like the liabilities, capital and assets will be put into the balance sheet. They provide you the result related with the financial statement. So it means this is helps to maintain the financial statement also for getting the results of income statement as well as to the financial statement. Thank you.